Let's be honest, some people walk into a room and instantly get liked. You walk in, smile politely, and get ignored like free Wi-Fi at a rich kid's house. But guess what? It's not your fault. It's psychology. And today I'm handing you 5 savage mind hacks that'll make people say, damn, who is this guy? Stick around. Hack number 5 is borderline manipulative, but in a good way. Number 1 is the glitch in the matrix trick. You want someone to feel weirdly drawn to you? Start copying them, not in a creepy way, just their vibe. They tilt their head, you tilt yours. They drop a bro in every sentence, you drop one too. Their brain goes, hold up, are we the same person? This hack creates an instant bond like you've known each other forever. It's weird, it's powerful, use it wisely. Number 2 is the oh wow, you remembered my name? Flex. Everyone forgets names, that's normal. So when you remember someone's name and casually drop it mid-convo, they feel like a VIP. It's not, hey, nice meeting you. It's, hey Priya, good seeing you again. You still giving those killer TED Talk vibes? Instant respect, instant likability, and guess what? They'll remember your name too. Number 3 is the hyper-specific compliment combo. Stop saying things like you look nice or you're cool. That's background noise. Instead say, your laugh is straight up contagious. I bet you cheer up grumpy cats. Hyper-specific compliments do 2 things. 1, they make the person feel seen. 2, they make you stand out from every other boring conversation they've had all day. Number 4 is the eye contact reset button. Look, eye contact is weird. Too much, creepy, too little, weak. Here's the hack. Make eye contact for just long enough to make them feel something. Then look away, like you weren't even trying. They'll wonder, wait, why did that feel so intense? Boom. Instant intrigue. Use this when you say something meaningful or right before a joke lands. Trust me, you'll look dangerously charismatic. Number 5 is the favor flip trick. Here's some twisted psychology. People like you more when they do you a favor, not the other way around. Ask for something small, a pen, a review, a bite of their fries. Okay, maybe not that. Their brain goes, I helped this person, I must like them. It's called the Benjamin Franklin effect. Use it and suddenly people start liking you, and they don't even know why. These 5 mind hacks are literally cheat codes to human interaction. They're subtle, they're powerful. And if you use them right, people won't just like you, they'll gravitate toward you. So tell me, which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. And if this gave you that oh damn moment, you know what to do. Like, subscribe. Turn that bell on. Because next video, we're diving into manipulation tactics used by billionaires. Yeah, it's gonna get dark.